Alright guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to upload YouTube Shorts from PC guys. So it's really easy and simple. What you're going to do is come here and click on create, okay, create, and you're going to click on upload video like you would normally upload a video. Now the only difference is guys, you can upload any video, any short video from PC. The only condition is that the video needs to be in a 9:16 format, okay, 9:16 format ratio. That's the only resolution. That is it. Nothing else is different. It's just like how you upload a normal video and it will automatically upload as a shorts. Okay. So once this loads up, I'm going to show you just how we can do that. Okay. It's loading up, guys. So it says drag and drop. Okay. I'm going to come here. I have this shorts uploaded, downloaded right here that I had edited on my phone. Okay. I'm going to click on this. Wait. All right. So we're going to just drag it here. We're going to take it. Okay. Just drag it, guys. So this is the start and edit 2. I'm just going to drag it to here, and basically it's going to start uploading, guys, immediately. So it has now started uploading, and we're gonna just basically upload it like a normal video, and I'm going to show you just how we can do that. So the title, we can leave the title as it is. Starman Edit 2, we can add that description right there at Starman Edit 2, because you do need a title for the video. It's really important. And now the video is uploading, as you can see, 61%. And soon it's going to be at 100%, just in a few moments right here. All right, guys, it is at 100%, and it is now completed uploading. It's just processing the video, but it's literally basically that simple, guys. Well, you don't need to do anything. Okay, this video is not made for kids, no, and we just keep going next. We don't want to add that. Okay, checks visibility. It's processing to HD. Okay, then we just press next and just publish the video, guys. Okay, it's literally that easy and simple. And as you can see, it is in the shorts format right here. It's literally that easy and simple, guys. Just click on publish, and this will upload as a shorts automatically. Okay, if you want, you can also add hashtag shorts to the title if you'd like, but it doesn't really matter. As long as the format is 9:16, you can just publish it right there. And basically, guys, it will upload as a shorts video. It's literally that easy and simple, guys. So if this video helps, make sure you hit that like button. As you can see, look at this, guys. It's uploaded as a short format. So if this video helps, guys, look at the YouTube link. Okay, video link says youtube.com/shorts, right? And if I come here and click on shorts, just to prove it to you, in case you're doubting me, I can just prove it to you here. It is now uploaded as a short, and it's being checked. Just uploaded it, guys. Look, 15th November, you can see my date and time down here as well. So it's literally that easy and simple, guys. So if this video helps, make sure you hit that like button. Comment down below if you're still having trouble. I'll try to help you out still. And until next time, guys, make sure you subscribe to the channel, subscribe to Ninja Guy.